Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a quick review on this this new storage bag I got from Kemimoto. Should be a real simple install, probably take about 2 minutes, but let's open it up. Hey, there it is in the plastic. Nice looking bag. Oh yeah, that's nice. Kind of hard on the outside. Nice hard walls. Wow, it's almost like a carbon fiber look. Pretty sweet. Got a handle on here in case you want to pop it off and go fill it up or whatever and carry it to and from wherever. But it looks like there's no hardware, so it looks like it's just going to go on. There's like an access panel between the two seats and the X3. And I'm guessing these little J channels here probably pop, one on the top, one on the bottom, and that's probably it. This is probably going to be the quickest product video I've ever made. The back is hard. It has like a soft material on the outside, but it's hard on the inside. That's a nice box. That's a box more than it is a bag, but I like that. So we'll go ahead and pop her in, and I'll throw some stuff in there. So to put this in, basically you just have to pull this this center panel out. I'll go ahead and pull it out, and I think I should be able to install it outside of the machine. Should just be able to, yep, pop that out. That's going to sit right there on top of this panel. See? And you can see these little J channels. They just pop onto each edge. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's installed. Alright, there you go guys. Took about 2 minutes. Like I said, you just pop these little channels on. Top and bottom. And that's it. I'll go ahead and put it in the machine now. It should pop right on. Alright guys, there you go. That took a total of 5 minutes to pop those on. That includes taking it out of the box. So super easy install. Matches the interior. Might even make the interior look a little bit better. I don't know. I'll leave the link for this product in the description of the video.